And welcome back. The West Indies produced another disciplined bowling performance, but Pakistan held strong to take day one honours in the third and deciding test at Windsor Park in Dominica. The Pakistanis closed on 169 for 2 from 69 overs.
West Indies won the toss, and in overcast conditions it seemed a perfect decision to send Pakistan in. But while the overhead conditions favoured the fast bowlers, it was spinner Roston Chase, who was introduced as early as the 9th over, who made the breakthrough. Shan Masood, one of two changes to the Pakistan 11, being turned back for 9. But from there, Pakistan batted the way they like, slow and solid, which was exactly the way Azhar Ali and Babar Azam built their 120-run second wicket partnership. The partnership was interrupted by lunch and even rain delays, but hardly ever by the West Indies bowling. Ali was first to reach 50, and Azam followed shortly after, before Alzari Joseph found his outside edge at 139 for 2. That paved the way for Yunus Khan to make his first appearance in his final test, and he did so to a guard of honour from the Caribbean side. He saw the day through on 10, while Ali ended unbeaten on 85, the two adding 30 so far, entering day number 2. Ricardo Chambers, TVJ Sports.